I feel like the music is always so loud in here. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm at Five Below. I'm finally going to be showing you guys how to put together your emergency back to school kit here at Five Below. Someone actually wanted me to do this at Dollar Tree, but with how Dollar Tree has been lately, there's nothing there. Anyways, I'm already in the $3 to $5 travel size item aisle. They have actual pre-made emergency kits for $5, but let's see what they put inside of them. This one comes with a travel size hairbrush, toothbrush, 10 hair bands, 5 safety pins, 10 bobby pins, a pill container, okay, assorted adhesive bandages, 4 dental floss picks, and 4 hand sanitizing wipes. Wait a minute guys, Five Below literally just cut out all the work of you doing it yourself. And I think there's some extra space in here for you to add your own mini items. So far, Five Below's already got your back. At this point, Five Below sponsor me. Looking for some extra bags. I've been seeing these other mini ones, which would work well, but I'm not sure about the designs to be honest. Like over here, I see this purple one. This is nicer. Be your own celebrity. I actually like the purple color it has. Okay, yes guys, they actually have the full size Tide to Go sticks. Ooh, plus Oxy. This is $4 here. This really comes in handy if you get some food or just a random stain on your clothes. Mini dry shampoo. If you tend to have very oily hair, this could be a good idea for you to get for school, just to keep your hair in check. Sometimes you guys don't answer my questions, but I'll ask again. What do you guys think about this To Go Lysol spray? Is it too much for school? But if you get sick really easily, this could be a good thing to bring. I don't know. It's kind of dramatic, but at the same time, I'm not gonna fault anyone for trying to stay safe from germs. A whole set of mini lint rollers. They have some Dove lotion here. This is $3. Super cute. I love the pink color. I'm seeing a lot of pill cases. So if you have a lot of vitamins or supplements to take, you might want to consider getting a pill case. This one's super cute. It looks like a bubble cloud. Most of the things I saw in that pre-made emergency kit, they have them in the travel size section, like this pop-up brush. And this also comes with a mirror. Hello, what's going on? I only see one kind of mini deodorant. I might have to look a little more. But it's only this Degree Advanced 72-hour shower clean deodorant, and it's roll-on. So I'm wondering if they have the spray version as well. Seems nowhere to be found. Oh, lovely. This would be such a perfect pack to bring in your emergency kit for all the girlies out there. Thin, regular, daily fresh, always liners. It'll get the job done. Only for light days though. For heavy days, you're gonna definitely need more than this. Wow, I almost didn't see this. This was hidden. Look at these packs of Band-Aids. It's a travel size Bandage dispenser. I think it's about 6 of them in here. Some more lotion. This is Palmer's. I've never tried Palmer's, but I've heard that it's very good at moisturizing, so I might have to try this out one day. Guys, this is crazy. Every time I do one of these videos, I show you guys the Kleenex packs. I see it here, but wait. I got this 3-pack either from Target or Walmart. This is $2, but sometimes I feel like this isn't enough. So in the aisle over though, for $1 more, you get 3 more. Like what? Why is the 6-pack only $1 more? I have to get this now because this will last me so much longer. Getting things in bulk is always smarter and sometimes it's cheaper. Yeah, I think I'm returning that 3-pack and getting this 6-pack. Is it just me or does Five Below blast the music in the store? It's like they just don't want me to film. Influencers exist, guys. Comment down below if you brush your teeth at school because they have toothpaste and toothbrush travel kit. I don't see a lot of people do it. It's not common, but it does happen. I just want to know, is it because you have braces or what's the deal? Some Wet Ones wipes here, $3. I don't know guys, I feel like Five Below is low-key selling some of these things for more expensive. Isn't this like $1.25 at Walmart? Or am I... Actually, I don't know if I'm mistaken or not. They have Tropical Splash and Fresh Scent. I'm not sure why this section is so messy, but they have mini sunscreen sprays. Then again, sometimes I act like everyone's at school for 24 hours. Like, you're only there for some hours in the day. So I don't think you should be getting sunburnt if you put sunscreen on before you go. This is Banana Boat and Copper Tone. If you don't like those, they also have Sun Bum here, SPF 30. Big packs of floss here, floss sticks. I'm surprised they don't have minis for your emergency kit. These are really cute though. I love the packaging. 250 count for $5. This is super cute. Sleek and Shine hairstyling essentials. It comes with a dry shampoo, a styling stick, and a mini brush. Super cute, and it's also in its own container. Most of this feels full, but if you wanted to, I'm pretty sure you can stuff some other emergency kit products in here. This is $5 by the way. Five Below just dropped the new dupe. Okay, Watermelon Sunlit Serum. Someone spilled this one, but I can tell these are like bronzing drops. Yes, Glow Recipe dupe. Should I try it, guys? Like this video and comment down below if I I should try this. All the stuff is just like randomly placed. I think people are just grabbing them and putting them wherever. Flushable wipes, that's also a really good idea just to keep yourself fresh throughout the day. Found all the little mini lippies, Aquaphor. I assume this is maybe $2. Some mini soft lips. Does anyone use this brand? I barely see anyone with soft lips. Cherry cordial. And a 5-pack of Vaseline. Okay, now I'm a Vaseline girly, but I haven't tried these. They have original rosy lips, 2 rosy lips, aloe vera, and cocoa butter. Some hair products. Let's see if they have hair ties. $3.25 for all these hair products. Lots of colorful ones. They also have more neutral colors. It's always good to bring scrunchies. I need to buy some actually. Hair clips. Okay, now we have $5 packs of scrunchies. This is a lot. These colorways are actually so cute. It reminds me of Christmas. Okay, this is good. All black. I feel like everyone can use an all black set. Everything hair over here. These are the regular hair ties. I'm wondering how much this is because I might grab some. Ooh, look at these big ones. Secure hold all day. Oh, okay. This one is $2. That's pretty good. Even jumbo ones up here for $2 as well. Why are these already splitting though? Hello? Five Below, fix this. They have a whole bunch of bobby pins over here as well. Okay, I love this. Everything seems to be $2. Except like the brushes over here are $5. These are too big for an emergency kit though, in my opinion. You want to get one of the mini ones if you really need a hairbrush that bad. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this 20-piece of thick hair ties. I already have jumbo ones, so I don't need to buy them. But for certain hairstyles that I like to do, I need smaller hair ties. Freshman year, I got this set that had like a tan, brown, and dark brown shade range. So I'm thinking of getting that again. Let me see where I can get it though. Because they don't have any here. I don't think so, at least. Let me not forget Bliss Tax. I almost didn't see this at all. Fruit smoothies. This is actually so cute. Buy 3, get 1 free. Okay, what's in here? Okay, we have triple tropical, berry explosion, melon melody, and peaches and cream. That sounds good. I'm not sure if it's good for your lips. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments down below. Just a random mention, it's crazy how freeze-dried candy is so normalized, especially here at Five Below, because I remember a couple years ago, these were so hard to find anywhere, and it felt like so crazy and different. They're making me want to try. Look at all that. They even have rock chocolate. This is so influencer of Five Below to do. Alright, I think that this Five Below doesn't have too much other self-care products that you can put in your emergency kit, but I'm not mad at it. We found a good amount of things. Everything that I show you would be great to put in your emergency kit, but just know you have to make it your own. For example, if you have braids, you're not really going to be bringing a brush to school because you don't need that for your hairstyle. But if you have straight hair that you wear down all the time and maybe it gets tangled easily, a mini brush would be a good idea. All of a sudden, my mom is looking for some peanut M&Ms and we cannot find them in this candy section, even though this is huge. Wow, this is really interesting. I've seen these on TikTok Shop, and of course they're at Five Below. That's one good thing about Five Below. If you want to get some trendy snacks, they always have them. These look good, and they're protein filled. Yes, I found the gum section. They have everything you can think of. Even before anyone started this whole back to school emergency kit thing, everyone's always bringing gum to school. And I remember in middle school it was such a big deal to have gum. You can get a giant pack with the 35 sticks and just put a few in your emergency kit or backpack, or just get the regular size. It really doesn't matter. Having gum is always a good thing though. Comment down below, let me know if you're a mint person or a gum person. For me, it was always gum over mint. I just feel like gum is longer lasting and does a better job. Mentos, Tic Tacs, Altoids. I've heard those are pretty good. Icebreakers down there. I think my favorite gum to get is Extra. That's just what my family usually gets, and the spearmint. Either the spearmint or the peppermint. There's a TJ Maxx right by the Five Below I was at, and of course I'm gonna get some essentials for my dorm room. Look at this pack of glass Tupperware that I got. Actually, do you still call this Tupperware if it's glass? It says glass food storage. Cute though. I like this pinkish purple color at the top. I better actually be cooking. This is my junior year. I have to cook. I better actually be cooking. This is my junior year, so I need to cook. I think I'm also getting this pot so I can make noodles or just boil things, because before I was just using a flat pan. Let's get the actual kitchen equipment we need. Okay, Owala dupes. What is this? Wellness. These are actually really cute. I like this colorway, $12.99. Okay guys, I am back from both Five Below and TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx was actually a wild run. I expected to leave the store with a couple of items, but I ended up leaving with a lot more, and that's okay. It's all in the spirit of back to school. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give this a like, comment down below some video ideas that you want to see from me, subscribe down below, share this video, hit that notification bell, and do not forget to check out my Instagram and my TikTok, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.